Good morning, it's Dr. John St. John with Chagrin Natural Health Clinic, and today I want to talk to you about heartburn or reflux. What causes it and what can you do about it? I can't tell you how many patients we've helped over the years with this condition. Usually it does require some treatment, and sometimes we have to wean someone off their heartburn medication, but let me give you the mechanism. So what happens is you eat food, it goes down your esophagus, and there's a little sphincter called the pyloric valve, and it opens and closes, and just below that sphincter is a stomach. The stomach is a very acidic environment, and that's actually the function, one of the main functions of the stomach. It actually is a very acidic, it produces acid. And why does it do that? To break down protein and start the production of or the mechanism of digestion. Okay, I mean, it does start in the mouth with your saliva, but as it goes down, boom, it hits that stomach acid and starts to break down. Now, as we age and as we eat, the wrong foods over a long period of time, the American diet, junk food, that type of thing, what happens is the body starts to produce less acid. That's going to prevent the protein from digesting properly, and when that occurs, that food is going to rot in your intestines, and it's going to throw off foreign acids. And those foreign acids are often what causes the symptoms of heartburn. When the stomach is not acid enough, also what's going to occur is that valve will not shut. And when that valve opens up, you're going to get a backwash of the acidic contents that go up into the esophagus. That can cause an erosion or an inflammation of the esophagus. It can cause a tightening of the throat. I've had patients who have had difficulty actually swallowing and would choke because of this chronic condition. And it can be reversed. So that's the basic mechanism. So what do we do about this? Well, number one, you have to clean up your diet. Number two, you need to have enough stomach juices to break down the protein so, this process of the valve opening and the backwash doesn't occur. We have specific whole food supplements that help stimulate the digestive juices to be released and to support the cause of or support the stomach's ability to actually produce these acids. So we look at all these different factors. Sometimes there can be a chronic immune issue down there that, we need to handle that as well. One of the functions of that stomach acid is to kill all the germs that we ingest. That's an acidic environment, so microbes can't live there. But if that acidic environment becomes more alkaline or base, which is the opposite of acid, then some of these bugs are going to proliferate and grow and take up residence in our stomachs and in our guts, which is not a good thing. So what we do at our clinic is we identify what's going on with this mechanism, and how we can help you with your specific heartburn condition, because they're not all the same. There's different shades of gray. I gave you the basic gist, but what we want to do is we basically want to have this stomach producing enough acid. So if you have this condition, you're on the purple pill, you're on omeprazole, you're on some acid blocking agent, long-term use of that stuff is going to block your body's ability to absorb minerals, and you don't want that. We need minerals, okay? Those are the building blocks of a lot of the cells of the body. All right, so if you have any condition, any concerns about this, you have this condition, feel free to contact us, and maybe we can help you. Take care.